Hi guys, welcome to Kim's class. My name is Kim and I'll be your teacher. This video is an introduction or an explanation on how to use these videos to learn English. This particular series of videos I think you'll find very fun and interesting. There's going to be 10 lessons in this series, and we are going to talk about idioms and slang that are commonly used in the English language. We'll also be spending some time talking about the difference between teacher talk and street talk. Many times I'm sure you've been in class and you've heard people like me speak and you think, I can understand. But it's teacher talk. And when you go out on the street, you hear words and expressions and you feel like, what are they saying? I don't get this. These lessons will also give us practice using street talk and understanding what it means. I'm very excited that you've decided to join me here in Kim's class. If you need more information, remember that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this Facebook page, and you will be able to be notified every time a new video is posted. Again, I thank you so much, and I can't wait to go on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I hope to see you soon.